The Employees State Insurance Scheme, ESI, is a social security and health insurance program for Indian workers. It is a self-financing scheme that provides medical and financial benefits to employees and their dependents in case of sickness, maternity, disability, or death due to an employment injury. It is governed by the Employees State Insurance Act, 1948, and is administered by the Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESIC, which is a statutory body under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. Key features and applicability. Mandatory coverage. The ESI scheme is mandatory for all factories and establishments that employ 10 or more people. The wage ceiling for an employee to be covered under the scheme is 21,000 rupees per month. Contribution based. The scheme is funded by contributions from both employers and employees. A small percentage of the employee's salary is deducted and a larger percentage is contributed by the employer. Welfare benefits. ESI provides a wide range of benefits, including medical benefit, full medical care for the employee and their family from day one of employment. Sickness benefit. Cash compensation during periods of certified sickness, which helps replace lost wages. Maternity benefit. Full paid leave and medical care for insured women during maternity. Disablement benefit. Financial support for employees who suffer from temporary or permanent disability due to an employment injury. Dependents benefit. A monthly pension paid to the dependents of an employee who dies due to an employment injury.